Hey, this is Katie from Niche Notion Templates on Etsy, and this is the Homeschool Dashboard template. And I'm going to show you in this video how to add your kids. This is the first thing you're going to do. So from your dashboard, you're going to head to Kids Pages. I have a little alert here saying behind the scenes data magic is built into this template. So please use the Add Kid button right here rather than trying to manually add a child. I've really designed this from the ground up to work more like an app than a Notion template. So there's very little setup work that you need to do just because you've got more things to do with your time than fiddle around with Notion. So we're going to click Add a New Kid. We're going to give it a second, and you can see it's populating all of this automatically. I did nothing except click one button. So we're going to give this child a name, pick a class year, and to replace the child's image, just click on that photo. There are three dots in the corner, replace. Then you can upload a file, but it has already added a section with a list where their classes will go, organized by semester. And in the middle are several different views where you'll be able to see their weekly calendar of assignments. So each assignment by day, a list. This will be a list of assignments by class, progress reports, all of their assignments, and a subject tracker. Obviously, this is empty right now, but that's okay. I'll show you how to get it all set up. On the side are instructions for adding classes, which we'll get to in just a second. And over here is the attendance widget. It's default to show all of the kids, but right here is a filter name, and I'm going to type in the name of the new student that I just added. So there she is. And over here is, just like on the dashboard, an overdue assignment section. Obviously, she has no assignments yet, so she is all good. She's all ready to go. In the next video, I'll show you how to add classes and assignments for her. All right, stay tuned.